checking out some of the old airports I used to do a lot of flying at. And that is all traffic. Mooney 16 Delta Romeo, turn in final. 18 minutes off. Alright, on our way to Ann Arbor, decided to scrap Howell. It was taking too long into the wind. I got stuff I gotta do today, so we'll hit Ann Arbor and then we'll take a stop over at Monroe. If I didn't throw in Monroe on there for an extra stop, I probably would have been able to do Howell, but we ain't gonna be able to do it. So Ann Arbor, I was a full-time flight instructor at a flying club there that did a lot of training. The flying club started out as a student group at the University of Michigan, and then later grew to basically take all comers, you know, whoever wanted to join the club. But had quite a few airplanes. We had, well, I think we had five airplanes at the time, and they're almost always total booked. But that was when it was time to make that last push to get that first airline job. I needed extra hours to get me over that 1,000-hour mark, so I quit my engineering job in May of that year, and I was a full-time flight instructor from the middle of May until the middle of October that year in Ann Arbor. Then I got hired towards the beginning of October. I accepted a job with a regional airline and started training. I believe it was October 23rd that training started. So that ended my full-time flight instructing career. But Ann Arbor's always fun. It's a cool little airport. Ann Arbor Tower, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo is 10 to the north at 2000. Like to do one touch and go and depart to the south. I have Juliet.
Mooney 16 Delta Romeo, Ann Arbor Tower, ident. Mooney 6 Delta Romeo, ident, observe, flight south, enter a 4-mile final, runway 24, report turning final.
A 4-mile final, report turn final for 24, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo.
This is 0 Tango Yankee, traffic follows passing off your left wing.
This
is 0 Tango Yankee, number 2, runway 24, clear for the option, traffic ahead, full stop.
Clear for the option, number 2, runway 24, 0 Tango Yankee.
This is 14 Bravo, frequency change approved, have a good flight.
Good, thank you, 14.
I don't know how well you can see it out of the front window, but right over there, there's that long, thin strip of buildings. That is Domino's Farms, which is the worldwide headquarters of Domino's Pizza. Kind of in the very northeast corner of Ann Arbor. Of course, downtown Ann Arbor there.
Mooney 6 Delta Romeo, you can proceed direct, runway 24, clear for the option, and say intentions on the go.
Clear for the option 24, we're just going to depart southbound, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo.
Mooney 6 Delta Romeo, after the option, left turn on course approved.
Alright, left turn on course after the option, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo.
Upper Tower,
I feel pump coming on, another carriage coming down.
Inbound for landing.
Sussex 22 Uniform Mike, Ann Arbor ground, runway 24, taxi via Charlie Alpha.
Props going full forward. Seat belts and switches are all on.
Warrior 908 Foxtrot, your traffic follows left base, approaching final.
Traffic inside 908 Foxtrot.
Warrior 908 Foxtrot, number 3, runway 24, cleared to land.
Number 3, 24, cleared to land, 908 Foxtrot.
Extra props, throttle coming full. Whoa. Yep, I forgot about the trim. Monroe Custer traffic, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo, 10 northwest inbound 21, Monroe Custer. So you may have noticed that the airport is Monroe Custer Airport. And yes, it is that Custer of the Civil War and Little Bighorn notoriety. George Custer was from Monroe, Michigan. This airport here in Monroe is kind of a nice fly-in if you have a scooter or electric unicycle.
Coldwater Unicom, Cirrus 595.
One wheel, that kind of thing. The airport is basically right next to a city park. We have soccer fields and baseball fields and picnic pavilions and all that crap. And it's right north of the river. I think it's the Raisin River. I can't remember what the heck the river name is. And there's like a river walk that goes all the way into town. So it's really nice, you know, big wide bike path, riverwalk. So you can hop out of your airplane, ride through the park to the bike path along the river, and then just follow that into town. And got nice pavement that's safe, off the away from the highways. No cars are going to hit you. So it'd be beautiful to come in here and, you know, do the $100 hamburger on the electric unicycle. But for me, the only problem is this airport's only like 10 miles from Willow Run, so it doesn't make a whole lot of sense for me to hop in a plane to, maybe it's 15 miles or 20 or something like that, but anyway, it's one of the closest airports to Willow Run, so it doesn't make all that much sense for me to do that as a, you know, flying getaway. But I have done it before. Monroe Custer traffic, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo is to the west on left midfield, crosswind 21 Monroe.
Suburban traffic, Skyline 30 Romeo, left downwind for 27, Toledo Suburban.
Wow, that was greasy.
I think you got plenty of time if you want to do it.
Ooh. Time to use the Wind Deflector 2000 Extreme, otherwise known as my hand. By the way, pro tip. Don't know why you would ever spend money on one of those plastic wind deflectors when your hand works perfectly fine. Just cup it like this, stick it out the window, does the exact same thing. And it's free. But a pro tip, I should have said cheapskate tip. Funny story on that, I was taxiing into my hangar with my hand like this, deflecting the air, and guy who has an airplane across the hangar from me, he's basically had that hangar since I first moved into Willow Run, that hangar complex in 19 years ago. And so he saw me taxiing in, I got out of the plane, he goes, "Hey, you got that same model wind deflector as I do."
Delta, left downwind, Suburban.
I was like, "What the heck are you talking about?" And he sticks his hand up, he goes, "You know, your hand out the window like this." Full power. Engine instruments are good, airspeed looks live. 4 rotation speed, and off we go. Positive rate. Coming up. 9 flaps up. Willow Run Tower, Mooney, 16 Delta Romeo, 10 to the south, 2,300, full stop with Zulu.
Mooney 16 Delta Romeo, Willow Run Tower, glad to have you back. You enter left downwind, runway 23 left, report 3 miles out and remain clear of the Detroit class Bravo airspace.
Alright, report 3 out, left downwind, 23 left, remain clear of the Bravo, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo. That was a banger. Made up for all those greasers I did today.
Mooney, correction, 6 Delta Romeo, you can make the 180 right turn on Golf to the east ramp, my frequency, have an excellent afternoon.
Alright, 180 right on Golf East ramp with you, Mooney 16 Delta Romeo.